friends, welcome to my channel. As you are aware, there is a sale going on Flipkart, that is year-end sale. So this is the right time to purchase mobile at lower cost. So I have listed some mobile which is under 20,000, which will really perform well in terms of performance, camera, everything. So video will be more interested. So let's get started. So before buying the phone, we need to keep some points in mind. So the first point will be customer rating. In my case, like I will always look for customer rating. This is very important. So the more the customer rating, very good the phone is. So the second point will be like at least like I'm expecting 4 to 6 GB of RAM, and the storage I'm expecting at least 64 GB to 128 GB. And in case of camera, like I'm expecting 50 MP back camera and 8 MP for front camera. And apart from that, like the battery capacity is very important. So I'm expecting at least 4500 mAh to 5000 mAh. For 10,000 budget, like I'm expecting display as full HD display. And if we consider processor, so at least I'm expecting mid-range processor with octa-core and clock speed as minimum 1.8 GHz. And another important point will be I'm expecting at least 60 Hz to 90 Hz refresh rate. So this is the one thing. So in my list, the first mobile will be Realme C53. This is the mobile. You can see the phone look like iPhone structure. So I like this structure. Apart from that, the storage will be 128 GB, RAM will be 6 GB. This is amazing. And if we come down, so you can see it has 108 MP camera, and front camera will be 8 MP, and we will get HD LCD display, and battery also very good, 5000 mAh, and 4G connectivity, dual SIM is there, quick charging also there, audio jack also there. So you can see T612, this is like a mid-range processor with 1.82 GHz clock speed. This is also good. They gave some quick charging details as well. So you can see so 50% charging 52 minutes. This is very good. And the most important thing will be like in this phone, like you will get 90 Hz display. This is very awesome with this budget range. So if you come to customer ratings, you can see 81,000 people rated this one with 4.5 stars. So the second list in my mind will be Redmi 12. So you can see this mobile. So it has beautiful pattern and it looks very well. It costs around 11,000, and you will get 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. This is super cool. Apart from that, so you will get 50 MP rear camera, 8 MP front camera, and you will get full HD display as well with 90 Hz adaptive sync. This is the refresh rate, and battery also very good, 5000 mAh. And the promising thing will be like we will get 4G volt with dual SIM and quick charging also there, audio jack also there. So if we come to rating, like you can see like 26,000 people rated this one with 5.5 star. And the processor will be MediaTek Helio G88 processor. This is also a very good processor at the mid-end. So this is the second mobile in my list. The last but not the least mobile in my mind will be Oppo M5. So this is also good. So you can see like you will get 9,000 rupees. So you will get 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and the looks also very good. So you will get MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core 2.2 GHz. This is very good. And rear camera also 50 MP, and you will get 2 MP depth sensor, 2 MP macro sensor as well. Front camera will be like you will get 8 MP. Display also you will get full HD plus display. Battery also 5000. So you will get network type 4 GB, and SIM type will be dual SIM. This looks very promising. Quick charging also it will support, audio jack also there. So you can see 13,644 ratings are there till now, like with 4.5 star. So these are the three mobile in my mind. So I hope you got very good information. So you decide according to your needs. If you like the video, please subscribe, do follow, and share the video to your friends.